We will begin logging on the mobile app by pressing the plus icon button next to the mealtime. This will access a list of foods with a menu across the top that will contain different collections. Search for foods by typing in the food search box. Adjust the food portion and click the top menu in the right corner, then click Add to Log. Do this again for other foods. Searching for the food will automatically bring up a list as you type. Select the item, adjust a portion, tap the top menu in the right corner, then click Add to Log. Continue this process until all the foods have been added to your mealtime. The slide-up menu provides recommended calories and macronutrients comparing to what is recommended and remaining for the day. This meal can be added as a favorite by touching on the heart icon, then adding a short name or description of the meal favorite, then pressing OK. This will save this particular meal and the foods as a meal favorite. To use a meal favorite, select a different day and mealtime. Then select Favorite Meals from the top menu and click Add to Log. We can access other options by actually pressing on the food. This will launch the Measure Adjustment control screen, but the menu in the top right corner will give you access to save the food as a favorite or remove it from the log. You can then search your food favorites through the top menu option, and then quickly adjust portion size and add those to your food log for the day. Now reviewing the web portal, we can access favorite meals and favorite foods from the left menu. This will mimic exactly what is saved on the mobile app. We can also start a new log date. We can access logged meal dates history. We can add new foods to specific meal times and access other options.